What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be explaining the daily high and low by session report on edgeful.com. So here we're looking at, obviously, the daily high and low by session. We're looking at YM in the last 6 months. What this report does is it tells you where the high and the low of day tends to be based on certain sessions. So right now, we're going to go to TradingView quick so I can show you how this is going to look. So the Asian session is here. There's an overlap between the Asian and the London session. And the London session is this green box, and there's another overlap between London and New York. So this is one of the TradingView indicators that we have. It's called the Market Sessions Indicator. It's completely customizable. You can turn on and off certain sessions. You can customize the start and end times. And if you want access to it, you can scroll down, click this Get Access Now button. You put in your TradingView username, which you can find right here at the top. So mine is edgeful. You throw that in here, and once you do that, you will see all of the indicators populate in your invite-only section. If you see them and you can't put them on your chart, just refresh your TradingView and they'll all come up. If you see them, you have access. So just to kind of touch on what this report does is it tells you, based on the session, what is the probability that the high or low of day is going to be made there. So for example, looking at YM in the last 6 months, you can see that the high of day, this blue bar, was made 60% of the time in the New York session. The low of the day is made 47% of the time in that New York session. So looking at this indicator, you can see that the low of day here is made in this New York session. The high of day, now to keep in mind, the high of day was made right here. This is so far. The high of day was made right here, which is the overlap between Tokyo and London. So you can see that's right here. There's not very high probability of this happening. So in this case, what you want to do is understand the probabilities of where price is going to move and where the highs and lows of the days are made. One thing to note is this is customizable. So you can go and change the start and end times of all of these sessions. Some people don't like to look at this overlap. They don't want to consider this overlap in their trading. So what you can do here is change this London session to end at the start of New York. So now you can see that there is no result here for London and New York overlap. One thing you need to make sure you do is change on your TradingView indicator. I just double clicked on it. You can change the end time here to be that 9:30. So this would be what you're measuring now. Where is the high and low of day made based on this? So there's no overlap anymore. So you can see that now when you do that, the edge changes a lot towards this New York session. So you can obviously play around with it, change the start and end times across the board, but just be very mindful about the settings that you have here, and then make sure you translate them over. They're not linked. So really keep that in mind. TradingView is not going to update based on your settings in here. So always remember what settings you have. Just double check them just once in a while to make sure that you're looking at what you actually want to look at versus having the wrong impression. So again, as a brief summary, this report tells you the high and low of the day, where it's going to be made in what session. If this video is helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our support down here. You can click send us a message. And then finally, we have a free Discord up here. You can join it. We have live streaming every single day here. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it.